Extracting a round duct from point cloud is as easy as clicking a button. Go to the Scan to BIM tab in Revit and click on Fit Round Duct button. Next, click on a point on a round duct that you want to extract. Make sure to click on the straight portion of the duct, away from elbows, T's, or any other object. In a few seconds, the add-in will extract the round duct and display a pop-up. The pop-up shows a 3D view on the left where you can verify the fit between the extracted duct and the point cloud. On the right side, you'll see the duct's level, system type, and duct type. If the pipe has insulation, click on Add Insulation checkbox, select the type of insulation and the insulation thickness. Note that as you change the insulation thickness, the value of delta changes. Delta denotes the difference between the duct's measured diameter and the sum of modeled diameter plus insulation. If you want to change the duct's modeled diameter to make delta 0, click on Change Diameter to make delta 0 button. If the duct has lining, select Add Lining checkbox, type, and lining thickness. Click on OK button. If you view the created duct's properties, you'll see that insulation and lining have been added. Let's go ahead and extract some other round ducts as well. Sometimes, especially with smaller ducts where all points are close to a T or an elbow, the fit of the extracted duct to the point cloud may not be perfect. In this case, isolate the points belonging to the straight portion of the duct using a section box and then extract the duct again. Ducts extracted using our Scan to BIM add-in will fit very well with the point cloud. But Revit may not allow connecting them if they are not in the same plane. As you can see in the video, we are not able to connect the two ducts using Trim Extend to Corner tool. To connect the two extracted ducts, we'll need to align them first. Click on Align Two Round Ducts button. Select two round ducts. First duct will act as a reference for the second duct, which will be aligned with the first duct. In other words, the first duct you select will not be moved. Only the second one will be moved. Once the second duct is aligned to the first one, our Scan to BIM add-in will measure the angle between the two ducts. If it's close to 90 degrees, then it will ask you whether you want to move the second duct so that the angle becomes exactly 90 degrees. Click on No for now. Now the two ducts are aligned. You will now be able to connect the two ducts using the Trim Extend to Corner tool. Let's align the other two ducts now. Earlier we mentioned about the pop-up asking you whether you want to make the angle between the two ducts to be exactly 90 degrees. This is required in some cases because Revit may not add an elbow if the angle is very close to but not exactly 90 degrees. In such cases, you may want to align the second duct so that the angle between the two ducts is exactly 90 degrees. Let's consider an example. While connecting the two ducts, you see that Revit shows an error even though the two ducts are aligned. Let's make them perpendicular to each other and connect them again. Revit is able to connect the two ducts now. Note that in some cases, Changing the second duct so that it is perpendicular to the first duct decreases the fit to point cloud dramatically. In these cases, you can always undo the operation.